If you're planning a trip, today we'll show you how to pack everything you need neatly into one bag and carry it comfortably. Let's start packing. First, we need a bag that can carry everything. This is the Yes IDEO Fingerprint Lock Business Backpack. Right here is the fingerprint lock. Set your own fingerprint and simply press to unlock it, giving your valuables added security. The splash-resistant Oxford fabric helps protect your belongings from light rain and accidental spills. Inside, there's plenty of room for clothes, a laptop, tablet, power bank, and other essentials, with separate compartments to keep everything organized. There's also an external USB charging port. Connect a power bank inside, and you can charge your phone without taking it out. The thick, soft shoulder straps also make the backpack more comfortable to carry when fully packed. Next is the foldable travel toiletry bag. Open the zipper, and you'll find multiple compartments for keeping your personal care products neatly organized, including separate wet and dry sections. Inside, we can pack this 4-piece set of 90 ml silicone travel bottles. Available in a mix of colors. They're a practical and affordable choice for carrying shampoo, body wash, lotion, and other toiletries without bringing full-sized bottles. The included labels also make it easy to tell each product apart. All the bottles fit neatly inside the bag. There's also a detachable bottom compartment for carrying a few essentials. Hang the bag using the built-in hook, and everything stays visible and easy to reach. It even includes a mirror for quick touch-ups. When you're done, simply fold it up and place it back inside your backpack. With our everyday essentials packed, let's move on to something every traveler needs: charging gear. First is the Yes IDEO MC46 Universal Travel Adapter. Its mini, ultra-slim design takes up very little space in your travel bag. Move the slider to switch between EU, UK, US, and Australian plug types. It works in more than 150 countries, so you don't need different adapters for each destination. Despite its compact size, it supports up to 2,500 watts for compatible devices and appliances. Plug in your wall charger, connect your cable, and you're ready to charge. The Amorous PD wall charger has an 18-watt USB-A port and a 20-watt USB-C port, allowing you to charge 2 devices at the same time. To go with it, here's the Mododo CA4943 in 1 charging cable. It combines USB-C, an iPhone charging connector, and a magnetic Apple Watch charger in 1 cable. The USB-C connector supports up to 100-watt PD fast charging for compatible phones, tablets, laptops, and a Nintendo Switch. The 1.2-meter nylon-braided cable is durable, tangle-resistant, and more convenient when the socket isn't nearby. For extra power away from an outlet, add the Mododo MC4651 10,000 mAh magnetic power bank. Attach it to a compatible phone for up to 15W wireless charging, or use a USB-C cable for up to 20-watt fast charging. Its 10,000 mAh capacity provides reliable backup power, while the ultra-thin metal design makes it easy to carry. It's especially useful when you need your phone for maps, tickets, translation, photos, and messages throughout the day. To keep your charging gear and small accessories organized, here's the electronic accessory organizer bag. It's compact and features a zippered design, with plenty of space for your small electronic accessories. The durable PU leather exterior is easy to clean, while the soft inner lining helps protect your items. It can neatly hold your power bank, wall chargers, mouse, and other accessories. It also comes with a wrist strap for easy carrying and fits neatly inside your backpack. We've also packed a few handy accessories to make traveling even easier. First are these 2 phone lanyards. This is the 3-in-1 adjustable phone lanyard. It's easy to install. Simply place the tether tab inside your phone case, insert your phone, and clip on the lanyard. Its detachable design lets you wear your phone around your neck, across your body, or as a wrist strap for different situations. For a simpler option, here's the 150 cm phone long lanyard. Its length is adjustable, and it comes in 12 colors to match different phones, outfits, and personal styles. Both keep your phone close and easy to reach, so just choose the one that suits you best. Next is the 3-in-1 magnetic phone grip, combining a phone grip, adjustable stand, and wrist strap in 1 compact accessory. Its strong magnetic core attaches securely to compatible phones and cases. Open the ring for a steadier grip or use it as a hands-free stand. It rotates 360 degrees and folds up to 180 degrees for comfortable portrait or landscape viewing. When you're done, fold it flat against your phone. Finally, we have the 3-in-1 mini handheld cooling fan, a useful extra for hot days. Its foldable design fits easily into a pocket or bag, while the built-in 2000 mAh battery provides up to 21 hours of use. The soft blades automatically stop when touched for safer use. It also works as a flashlight and emergency power bank, combining cooling, lighting, and backup power in one compact design. Now, let's put all these handy accessories into the backpack. Now everything has its place, and our travel kit is packed and ready. Slide your water bottle into the side pocket, grab your passport, and you're ready to go. Pack smarter, stay organized, and discover more travel-ready products at TVC Mall.